When you log onto the internet, you might not think about the complex series of connections that actually allow it to happen, but you can be sure businesses do. In fact, a bad connection can end up costing them a whole lot of money, and that's why they turn it to the best in the business. Brad Jones tells us more about the electronic connections that are made right here in North Carolina.
In a wired world, everyone has to be connected, and the people at Tyco Electronics know how to make the connection.
It's everything from the wall jack back through the wall, the wiring that goes through that back into a closet, and then it's eventually hooked into electronic equipment and then out to the internet.
While you may be using their product at home, Tyco Electronics specializes in high-speed lines that are designed for corporate customers. Some carry up to 10 gigabits. That's 10 billion bits of information every second. Those higher speeds can create interference between lines, but they've developed products to keep signals separate and error-free.
There's a great deal of video being transmitted over the web. We're starting to see television transmitted over the internet. All of those things, in order to get that kind of a signal, require a very high resolution, which in turn requires very high bandwidth. You've got to have a lot of bits that pass through.
The Greensboro facility has 475 people in both manufacturing and engineering. In fact, this company has 12 locations across the state, filled with a lot of longtime employees like Rhonda Williamson, who's been here 16 years.
I like what I do. I like to learn and see how things are made, so pretty much right down my alley.
Whether it's a jack that puts your business on the internet or something like a sensor in your car's ABS system, the connection is critical. It has to be right every time. There's no room for error, and these workers know it.
It's made in America, it's made in North Carolina, and we sell it across the world. So we have products that are made out back in the plant that are assembled, the components are made here, and then we sell those around the world. As a matter of fact, we sell more of them outside of the U.S. than we do inside the U.S. So from that perspective, we're quite proud of it.
While your online surfing may take you around the world, Tyco Electronics specializes in what they call the last mile, the products that go from the switching system right into your desktop. And in that market, they're already miles ahead of the competition. In Greensboro, Brad Jones, Fox 8 News.
And the people at Tyco Electronics tell us that business has been booming, and right now they are looking for new employees. If you're interested, you can check out the website tycoelectronics.com.